Holy winter mode, Batman. This thing is filthy. But that's how she goes. Washing it's pretty damn tough. I never actually talked about how much it costs to fix it. You guys know I took the whole front end off, munched up the hood, hit an intercooler, and pretty much just foobarred the whole front end of the car. How much did I actually spend to repair it? A lot of guesses were in the 8 to 10 grand mark. I would have guessed 10 to 12 grand, which is what my initial estimate was, but it was actually $26,000 in final repair. The insurance company did replace my splitter, my stow and show, and did all the vinyl work that was messed up on the car, and essentially put it right back to where it was before the accident. And I mean, I'm quite pleased about it because it would have been very expensive and taken me a really long time to get it all back together and all the aftermarket stuff added back to it. But $26,000 Canadian to fix the front end of this car. If I've learned anything, do not crash these damn things. They just cost an absolute fortune. L to the W, shout out. Hope the car repairs are going well. He just fixed his car. He got hit by a deer. Took out this section here. It's $1,800 US for a headlight. He did $8 grand in damage, and he did not mess it up nearly as bad as I did. So, you know, new cars, new tech, just everything about it just costs more money to fix. Absolutely insane. So that is the grand total of the damage done to the Super Slow. Until next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.